Hi guys, hope you guys are doing great. Now, today let's talk more about lifestyle. And the more we talk about it, the more we understand what it is. So, when we talk about lifestyle, as I always say, the two things that come into our minds is our nutrition and exercise. Now, today I'm comparing lifestyle to a car, and when we see a car from the surface, we only see the body and the wheels, and but that is not the entire car, we know that. So a car consists of a lot more other things, like the engine, the steering, the headlights, the backlights, the rear view, the side view, the gearbox, the accelerator, the brake, etc., etc. So a car is a car only when it has all other features and not just the body and the wheel, although from the surface we just see the body and the wheel. Similarly, in case of lifestyle, we just see from the surface, which is the nutrition and the exercise. But just like a car is far beyond the body and the wheel, similarly the lifestyle is far beyond the nutrition and the exercise. Other habits such as the quality of sleep, whether you eat on time or not, whether you sleep on time or not, what is your level of activity, whether you're spending some time with nature or not, your meditation, your spiritual health, your mental health. There are a lot of other simple activities that form a lifestyle, and not just the nutrition and the exercise. Now, just like in the car, you need not add all the features at once if your budget does not allow. So, what we generally do is buy the basic version and then add on different features whenever our budget allows. So, we can buy a basic car and then maybe add a power window sometime later, and then afterwards we can add a music system, and this way we can go on. So, we can buy the most basic car and then keep on adding the features. Similarly, in case of a lifestyle, we need not add all the features at once because it can become strenuous, and just like in a car it may not fit the budget, similarly in case of a lifestyle it may not be practical for us to apply all these habits or features at one go. So just like in a car we can add feature by feature, so is in our lifestyle we can add one feature, make it a part of lifestyle, and then whenever things permit, we can add another feature and make it a part of lifestyle. And this way, just like we can make an advanced and effective car, we can make an advanced and effective lifestyle. So this is how we can approach lifestyle, adding one feature by feature by feature, and then building up a lifestyle. So here the feature is nothing but a small habit. So we can develop habit by habit and make it a lifestyle. So this was the comparison. Now there is a big dissimilarity. In case of a car, the more and more features we add, the more and more money we have to spend on buying also, as well as on maintaining the vehicle also. In case of lifestyle, this part is just the reverse. So the more and more feature we add to our lifestyle, the less and less will be our maintenance cost, because we will have to spend less on less on medicine and disease, and our lifestyle will and our life quality will increase manifold, which will reduce the cost drastically. So guys, this is a simple comparison of how lifestyle can be compared to a car. In terms of features, it is of in the same line. The more features we add, the better the car becomes, and the more features we add to our lifestyle, the better the lifestyle becomes. But on the other hand, as far as the cost part is concerned, it is just the reverse. The more and more features we add to our car, the more and more expensive it becomes. The maintenance cost becomes expensive, whereas in case of lifestyle, the running and the maintenance cost keeps going down as and when we keep adding the features. So this was a simple analogy which I wanted to share, so that we understand what lifestyle is all about and how we can approach towards a healthy lifestyle. Great guys, thanks a lot for listening. Until we meet again, be healthy, be happy, and be safe. Thank you so much.